The goal of this video is to explain what Iostream, namespace, functions, and endlines are. Include Iostream is used to set up and allow the program to get your input and its output or response to your input. So if we remove it, it cannot print out the thing we want to print because it didn't set it up. It doesn't know how, but when we include Iostream, it sets it up for us. Namespace std. It is used to get the names of the functions, like if we want to print out anything, we always use cout. But if we didn't import namespace, it wouldn't know what cout is. So it would declare an error because it would think the word we wrote was any other word in the English dictionary and not recognize it as a C++ command. To import it, type using namespace std. Functions. I call them containers because anything inside them gets executed. When we want to perform any operation, we put them in this function. What we see here is a simple function in C++. Anything inside this function gets executed or it gets run. End line. In C++, this is used to tell a program to go to the next line after we finish executing the line. So if we were to remove it, we won't start on a new line. Instead, it will just print them side by side. We can also use /n instead of endline, and it will do the exact same thing. What does the return 0 line do? Well, it returns 0 if the above code had no error or if worked properly.